In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to always keep your OneDrive files saved locally on your computer. Whether you're planning to work offline or simply want easier access to your documents, ensuring your files are accessible even when you're not connected to the internet can be a real game changer. So let's dive in and get everything set up. We're going to start by opening File Explorer on your PC. You can do this by either clicking the folder icon in your taskbar or using the shortcut by pressing the Windows key and E simultaneously. This will open up a window displaying different folders and drives on your computer. You'll see a range of options on the left hand side which list items like documents, downloads and your connected drives. From there, locate the OneDrive icon. It should be there, named OneDrive with a little cloud symbol next to it. Once you find this, click on it to open your OneDrive folder. Inside this folder, you'll see all your files and any folders that have been synced with your OneDrive account. This is essentially a mirror of what you have saved in the cloud. Now the next step is simple but crucial. We're going to right click on the folder or file you want to keep available offline. You'll see various options pop up in a context menu. Scroll through this menu until you find an option that says always keep on this device. This option ensures that the selected files or folders are constantly stored on your physical hard drive. So, why is this important? When you select always keep on this device, it will download the file to your computer and will remain accessible even if you don't have internet access. Think of it like pinning your files to your computer. This can be extremely useful if you often find yourself without a stable internet connection but still need to access or work on certain files. After you've done that, you'll notice a little green check mark appearing next to your selected files or folders. This symbol indicates that these are now available offline and are physically stored on your computer. This is a visual confirmation that the files are safely stored and ready whenever you need them, no matter where you are or what the connectivity situation is. Always keeping certain crucial files on your device is a great way to ensure you always have access to them when you need them the most. You won't have to worry about poor connectivity interrupting your workflow, and you'll always be prepared even in the most unexpected offline scenarios. And there you have it, now your OneDrive files are locally saved on your computer. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tech tips.